another adventure going south on 24 towards Chattanooga. Going to a place called Tim's Ford State Park. There's some history there. There's a dam there. There's also a city once there that's underwater. But it's a campground with a marina, also cabins, and of course RVs and tents. We've got a military truck. So yeah, also at this place it has some really nice hiking trails, a little bit mountain landscaping with a huge lake. It also has a place where you can even camp on islands. You just have to get a permit for it. But really inexpensive place. It's been around for a while, but I like it. It's a really wooded area, and also you can do biking there. So I'm gonna hit some trails. I'm gonna be hitting some trails. So come on along. Let's check it out. Well, I'm checked in. Just in time, they're about to close. I could have sworn that the lady online said they closed at 5, but it's, what, 4:30 now? Yeah, getting here a little late. I don't like to show up at campgrounds at night. For those that have done that, you know what I'm talking about. Especially the state park, because there isn't a whole lot of light. Alright. There's a deer right there in front of you. Man, there's deer everywhere. Trail. There we go. Pretty busy. Pretty busy. Stay right. I should be on the other side of the camper. Nice little vintage camper. What? The real thing you do in van life when you get up in the morning. A lot of dry foods. Oh, it's beautiful this morning. Isn't that nice with all the real estate I have here? Whenever I look at a campground, I try to look at the satellite. But Shelter right there. Bathrooms and showers. What's really cool about them is they're all separate. So you can have your own private bathroom and shower. I really like that. It's one big circle that goes around. It's not a very big campground, which I really like. One big circle. A couple down there, but huge site. Huge site right along the bay there. You also have the path that I was talking to you about. This goes all around the campground. I believe it goes to the cabins. There's also a golf course here. But yeah, really cool paths. And then there's some mountain biking that goes up and around out that way, which I'm gonna take advantage of. I love this. I love the color. Love the fall. I just wish it would last longer. Okay, let's get going. Tim Ford's. Start navigation.
Let's go.
Let's go. Trail, here's a shortcut right here. I think this is it. There we go. Right there on the lake. I'm going to record the whole trip, but I'll just do, for the video, this video, I'll just show sections of it. Or things of interest. Oh, it's neat how it bends and goes in and out, where the lake has so many little bay areas that the path follows. All of a sudden the lake will open up and then you'll be in a little bay area where it recedes in. That's kind of cool. Oh, it's pretty through here. All the leaves and the sun coming through. This looks cool up here. This is the overlook. This looks really cool. Wow, look at that. Overlook trail. That's awesome. Island over there. There's a bunch of islands. I believe you can camp on some of them. There goes the boat. You just got to get a permit. You can just boat out there or kayak out there. Now they got a graveyard up here. Up here or not. But there's some old ones. I don't know if I'm trespassing or not, but that's pretty. That's pretty. Well, there's some old ones right there. Right there, some old ones. Sure, there's some Confederates in there. Now, I went past this earlier. I'd like to see what this is all about. It's old logging road. Ah, it's a little story. A little story for the kids. That's cool. Let's see where it goes. Pine trees. Oh, it smells good. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look what this comes out to. Huh. That's awesome. That is really awesome. Wow. That's cool. Another peninsula. 3 bodies of water. It's a little bay area. They're everywhere. Man, look at those leaves. They are red as can be. All right. That's cool. Got a little chair you can rock on. That's nice with the view. That's worth the walk, right? Man, for the most part, these asphalt trail is just awesome. Just awesome. Now granted, I like my dirt rolls, but this is nice. Ain't nobody on the trails today. There's part of the trail up here. Loops down over there. That's where we're headed. And here's the bridge. That's cool. Look at that. Yeah, we're going down. Brakes. Ooh, this is pretty steep. There's a fisherman. That's pretty cool. How you doing? That's awesome. There you go. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Back up the trail. And back to camp. That was cool. That was pretty awesome. We were just over there. Did that big loop. So that was a good ride. Now I've worked up an appetite. Here, I'm going to show you something. Here's a really easy meal you can make for yourself and someone else. Got the table out. Got me late gourmet hot plates. Just add water and ham in here. And here's your ingredients. Get yourself a ham, boneless ham, mac, and a Dr. Pepper. And I'll show you how to cook this It turns out to be a fabulous meal within a couple minutes. Dr. Pepper. Good. Put this in here. All right, while that's heating up, we're gonna heat up this side with some water, boil some water for our mac and cheese. It's heating up. One in there, one in there. So it's cooking pretty good here, boiling in the Dr. Pepper. I'll let it cook for a little longer, and then I'll switch it over, add a little more Dr. Pepper, and cook that side until it's done, and then I'll start boiling my water. Okay, you can see where it's soaked up most of the Dr. Pepper. See how that looks. That's usually your sign that it's ready to be flipped. Yeah, see, that needs to be flipped. And then I'm going to add Dr. Pepper again and have that soak up. And when that's soaked up, it should be done. All right, I'm going to start boiling my water. All right, we got a boil happening here. I'm going to take this and submerge it. Now you can use a larger macaroni box, but it's just me, so I'm just going to use a small one. Because obviously you can heat these in the microwave. I'm just going to put that in there. Let that boil for a little bit. And as you can see here, this is pretty much almost evaporated as far as the ham goes. Yeah, it's almost there. Turn up a little more. All right, we've drained. Time to add cheese. Give that a good little stir. There you have it. How about that? And a little bit of Dr. Pepper left over. Easy meal. Easy meal, and it tastes great. That's good. Well, I'm going to finish up eating this meal, and then I'm going to head out tomorrow sometime in the afternoon. I might have some time to do a trail. I didn't get that in today on this video, but maybe next time. But I hope you liked the video. It's fall, the last of it, y'all. There's some winter camping coming next. If you liked the video, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video. Take care, y'all. Bye.